Hi! In front of me is Chuwi HiPad Max, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. You need to begin by accessing Clock app and choosing Allow in the pop-up if you never used it before. Now select Alarm section at the top left corner and click on those three dots at the top right one before creating your new alarm. Then hit Settings in this little pop-up and adjust all of those options under Alarms however you wish to, like snooze. When you are finished with all of those, click on the back button and tap on this red one to create new alarm. Then set up an hour and hit OK at the bottom right corner of this pop-up. Now you can adjust your alarm however you wish to. By tapping on Repeat, you can exclude days of the week, so in my case I will set up Mondays and Fridays. Then, by tapping on this little bell, you can choose Add New at the top and pick any song from your device as your new alarm one by clicking on it. You can also just select one of those sounds, click on the best one and go back as well. Now click on Label. You can label your alarm however you wish to if you wish to, and then to save it, hit OK. As you can see, after that, my alarm was successfully created. If you wish to switch it off completely, tap on this switcher next to it. You can turn it back on the same way. In order to hide all of those settings, click on the bottom right corner of this alarm section. To make them visible, click on the same corner again. Lastly, to delete your alarm completely, hit the Delete option at the bottom left corner of it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!